Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-account in GoHighLevel. This is essential when you're managing multiple clients under your agency account, as it allows you to organize each client's campaigns, funnels, and automations separately while maintaining control from your main dashboard. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in to your GoHighLevel agency account using your credentials if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're entering the right account since you'll need agency-level access to create sub-accounts. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're in the agency view. You can verify this by checking the navigation panel on the left side or top of your screen. If you're not in agency view, look for a toggle or drop-down that allows you to switch views. Being in the correct view is crucial because the sub-account creation options are only available from the agency level. Now that you're in agency view, look for the sub-accounts option in your left navigation panel and click on it. This section displays all your existing client accounts and gives you the ability to manage them or create new ones. It's essentially your hub for organizing multiple businesses under your agency. Next, click on the button labeled Create Sub-Account. This opens up the creation panel where you'll configure the new client workspace. At this stage, you'll be prompted to choose an industry or snapshot template. Selecting the right template matters because it preloads relevant automations, pipelines, and page designs that match your client's business type, whether that's real estate, marketing agency, fitness, or another niche. This saves you significant setup time. After choosing the template, click on Add Manually located in the top right corner of the map interface. Here, you'll enter the client's specific details. Type in the business name, contact email, full address, time zone, and any other required identifiers in the provided fields. Accurate information here ensures the sub-account operates in the correct time zone and that notifications reach the right person. Finally, click Create or Launch Sub-Account to provision the new workspace. GoHighLevel will generate the sub-account with all the selected templates and settings applied. You can now access this sub-account to customize it further or hand over access to your client. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.